We're here today with today's man of the match, Robino Garden. Speak to us about your performance today first and foremost.
Well, it was a good performance by me and my team, especially coaches, coaching staff. First started off at a centre back role because I'm a centre back. And last part of the game, go up front, do what the coach told me. Always learn from the forward then. I'm a defender, so I know what to do. So I go up there and do the right thing.
Alright, how do you feel when Mr. Butler pushed you forward and told you to go and strike?
It was a feel good because I'm a former striker.
Alright, and managing to score 4 goals. Have you ever accomplished such a great feat? Scoring 4 goals in a Manning Cup game?
No, but it's a good experience for me too.
And how much does that bring your goal tally to for the season?
5.
5 goals. Alright, so your team has 1 out every single game in the first round, going absolutely perfect. What are your expectations of Mona High School and yourself going forward into the second round of the competition?
Just stick to the system, right way, listen to the coaches, coaching staff, and do the right thing.
Do you think we'll be seeing more of you at forward, or will you be going back to centre back?
Don't know, coaches decision that.
Alright, so you're not quite sure about the second round, you're not quite sure about who you might face, right? But one thing we do know for certain is that you guys will be facing much stronger competition. Do you think Mona High will fare well against stronger competition?
No challenge. No have no challenge in our competition.
So against the likes of the Jamaican colleges, the Kingston colleges, the Georges, you think that you guys will fare just the same? You think that you guys will continue to win out and defeat the
simple from work with the system and listen to the coaches. Easy.
Alright, good game again. Man of the match, Robino Garden people.